If your Acura TLX infotainment screen goes black the moment you plug in your iPhone, don't panic. It's likely a software handshake error. Over 60% of CarPlay black screen issues are traced back to low-quality charging cables that can't handle high-speed data transfer. Before you visit the dealership, we need to perform a hard reset of the Acura True touchpad interface. The secret three-finger salute allows you to force a reboot of the system without disconnecting the car battery. Always check for lint in your phone's charging port, as it can prevent the data pins from making a clean connection. Sometimes the handshake file gets corrupted, and deleting the device from both the car and the phone is the only way to fix it. A soft reset fixes temporary glitches, but a hard reset is required if the screen remains black every time you start the car. Statistically, switching to a brand new Apple cable is the single most effective solution for TLX owners. If the software menus won't even load, disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 10 minutes will force a total system clear. If none of these steps work, you might have a faulty USB hub, which is a known hardware issue in early TLX models. Keep your vehicle's firmware updated via your home Wi-Fi to prevent these connection bugs from returning. If that reboot worked for you, hit the like button and subscribe to keep your Acura's tech running smoothly.